Review part 2, question 29. So it says graph the solution set of the inequality. So now we have two inequality signs here. So what I do is I just cover one of them. Oh, x is already by itself. So we're done. All we have to do is read it. We go from the letter to the number, the letter to the number. So if I go this way, it says x has to be bigger than -2. Okay, here's -2 has to be bigger than -2. Oh, but it says bigger than or equal to -2. So that means we have to color in the circle because we want it. Now let's read it this way. X has to be smaller than 4. And because we have the equal sign, that means we have to close that in. So everything from -2 to 4 we want. Okay. Okay. -2 to 4, and they're both closed circles, so we want that. Okay, let's do 30. So here's my inequality. I wrote it down here. I just cover up one of them. X wants to be alone, so I have to get rid of this 3. So I'm going to go +3, and go, oh, I have to do it over here as well. So that means x has to be less than or equal to 13. Oops, not 2, because it's 2 plus 3, which is 5. So now x is alone, so we're going to read it. X has to be bigger than 5. So here's 5, has to be bigger than 5. Do I color in the circle? Do I close it? No, because there's no equal sign here, so I keep it open. Now it says, I read it from the letter to the number, x has to be smaller than 13. Well, let's put a 13 here. X has to be smaller than 13. Oh, x has to be smaller than or equal to 13. So let's close it because we want it. So it has to look like that. Open, closed. 5 to 13. 5 to 13. In between 4 and 6 is 5. And 13 is there. But it's open, closed. Not that one. This one. Open, closed, 5 to 13. So it's this one.